one of the annoying features of Word is that it tries to be helpful. That means that as you're trying to format the paragraphs and the styles of your Word document to make them suitable for ebook creation, Word will try and second guess what you're doing and then interfere without telling you. So what you need to do, first of all, before you start any editing, is turn off those autocorrect features of Word. Now, if you're using Word 2003 or later, the way to do that is select the File tab, then go to Options, then select Proofing, and click Autocorrect Options. And that brings up your Autocorrect Options text box window. If you're using an earlier version of Word, the way to get that selection box open is to go through Tools, then expand down here. Down here you've got Autocorrect Options, and that opens up pretty much the same window. Just slightly different arrangement in some of the tabs, but initially you get the same options. The two tabs that are important are the Auto Format as you type tab and the Auto Format one. In the Auto Format as you type, you've got three sections. The first section, Replace as you type. You can leave boxes checked as you wish. Ebooks can cope with smart quotes. They can cope with fraction characters. They can cope with ordinals, hyphens. Ebooks can also cope with hyperlinks. So technically there's no reason to uncheck that particular box. However, some ebook publishers do not like hyperlinks in books. They may actually reject your ebook if it contains hyperlinks. So before you're considering a publisher, do double check whether hyperlinks are actually allowed. Otherwise, you can get into trouble there. But that has nothing to do with Word. So you can check the box if you wish. You can uncheck it. It does not really matter as far as the ebook itself is concerned. Now, the two sections below, Apply as you type and Automatically as you type, just uncheck everything, because those two sections give Word its second-guessing capacity, and at that point, Word will actually try and mess up your document as you try and tidy it up. So make sure that all the boxes in those two sections are unchecked. The next section is the Auto Format one. And again, you've got in the first section, Apply. Those are the second-guessing functionality. Make sure everything there is unchecked. Those four boxes, built-in heading styles, list styles, bullet lists, and paragraphs. Uncheck those. With the other checkboxes, again, it's the same as you had with the Automatically Replace. You can keep them checked if you want to. You can uncheck them if you want to. That is entirely up to you. Ebooks can cope with either. Just make sure that the first four boxes in the Apply section are not checked, or Word will try to be helpful and being entirely unhelpful in the process. When you're done with all that, when you've unchecked all those boxes, just OK everything to apply your changes, apply them to your document, and make sure that Word remembers them next time you open it. And yeah, that way, now Word will no longer try and interfere as you format your Word document.